Hey, why Joe Schmo is so annoying?
Okay, let's do it.
I hate you, Joe Schmo.
Alright, so this, Sak, what do you think about this, Senna?
This is
One
a
point
non-comfy car.
Non-comfy car? Yeah, you gotta be like...
Maybe you have to be like 70, 80 pounds.
Yeah, I think we're too fat for this car.
Yeah, and we're too old for this.
Too fat and too old to get, but these seats are nice. Look, once you're inside, you can't move anywhere.
Yeah.
They have your favorite speaker system.
Yeah, Bauer and
Wilkins. They have your Bauer.
They only do on the expensive cars, that's why.
Bauer and Wilkins.
Yeah.
This thing is a good $1.2 million.
I think I would prefer SF90 Spider than this one.
Looks-wise, I think this is insane. I think this one, looks-wise, kills any other car. Looks-wise.
It's not about looking at like cardboard pieces. You get the SF90. Look at the design.
This is more expensive than the SF90, right? Yeah, 1.2 million. So it is a more expensive car.
It's not about driving expensive.
Yeah.
If you want to drive expensive car, just go to buy a thing, Bugatti.
And you know, this is our good friend's car. Congratulations, Mr. Shalizi's car. Another great car to add for his collection. One of the things that I like about this car, seriously, that's cool, is when you look on the left and right, the glass on the bottom, you can literally see the ground. Marcus likes your SF90 more than this, but I think this is this has got me more than that because it's just an insane car, inside out. Again, congratulations.
Yeah, congrats.
Let's go for a test drive.
Shows will kill us.
Yeah, he will kill us.
Well, I drove the SF90, I drove the SVJ, but I'm not gonna drive this.
Yeah, no, that's it for this one.
Car before you come. Right? Right?
Yeah.
But you don't do nothing. Anyways, the morning, smoking in the door.
Yeah. But whenever I spend time in the office, I order parts, they don't see that.
Yeah.
I move cars, they don't see that.
They don't respect you. Yeah, they don't see that. They don't see nothing.
Yeah.
They don't see nothing, but they see everything. Yeah, like that, you know?
You're gonna move this car?
I don't want to move it, but this guy.
Oh, you're gonna put the side skirts.
Correcto. The size. ¿Sabes qué? Skirt, like a skirt.
Yeah.
Side skirt.
Yeah.
Una side. Una skirt. Please, can you put this on reverse so that I don't want to drive the car. Yes.
Oof.
I don't want to drive the car, bro.
You want it that way now?
Yeah. I need to get out the Rolls Royce from there.
So if you were waiting for me, how come you didn't tell me early? Why did you just came like last minute? But that's messed up. You're f***ing his job out too.
You do me one favor, I'll do that.
So what car?
Bentley, just put this on. Because his tags are expired. So you do that, I move the Ferrari.
Yeah, but how are you gonna move it?
Sure, it's fair. Yeah.
It's fair.
Look, this is the easiest job he did. He sat in here, so it's the easiest thing. He just goes in there, goes in. But he's gonna go around the block until 5 o'clock, until everybody's done. He'll be back.
And like I'm the first one who's moving the car.
Shut up.
See? Everybody tells us to shut up, and everybody agrees with this nonsense. Everybody knows.
This is such a good rainy day car.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
It's a perfect rainy day car.
I wish we could have one of these. We're never gonna be able to afford it.
That's the spirit.
Yeah. They say stay positive, but you can't. When you know it's not gonna happen, how do you stay positive?
With the stars on or no?
Yeah.
I like this car.
You do?
Yeah.
Hey, he likes besides 350Z.
So the guy behind the camera, you guys know who he is, the one that's doing this right now behind the camera, his name is Joey Vids. He's very, very rich. His parents are super rich. I don't even know why he's here. He doesn't have to be doing this. Just sit home and just in front of the fireplace and use his Dyson vacuum and just have fun.
Did we black out the... Is this stock, Circus?
No, we did it.
You blacked this out?
Okay, you want me to reverse this or forward?
Yeah, I need a reverse. Please. Hey, but you're gonna fit.
I'll fit.
Look what happened. He did his diet very good. He eat on time. The times he needs to eat, 5 or 6. He lose a lot of weight. I remember you.
Yeah, like 16 pounds.
He did really good. But after what, 2 months?
1 month.
After
1 month, I went back to Panda Express. I had to.
You do commercials.
Marcus is working now. He's telling you to work. 3 seconds ago, he's still
He's
TikTok.
been in the car for 15 minutes. He hasn't moved.
What's up, man?
That's working for him?
He loves it. What do you mean?
Okay, do me a favor, yeah?
Yeah.
Luigi,
Yeah.
can you move that? Tell that.
Hey, be careful.
Can you tell him to move the Porsche so I can get the put this car in the back for you? I need to reverse it, please. This doesn't have a lift. No, this doesn't. It should be here. That's why. I don't know why some of these don't come with lifters, or am I looking at the wrong place?
Yeah, that's so cool. The bottom lights up. If you pop the hood, I could tell if there's lifters in it.
How do you know?
Because it's right there. That's where they go. Yeah, it has lifters.
It has to be somewhere here, but I don't.
This might not have a lift kit.
No, it does. Javier would know.
This is the custom one. It's not factory. That's why it's not on here. Louis, close the hood, yeah? All right, can you watch me get out?
Watch the mirror.
Watch me get out, but I can't see anything.
To the right.
How do you fold this
To the
shit?
right.
You don't need to fold it. Go to the right.
To the right. To the right.
You don't.
Dale.
Hey, you're very far. Go.
Dale.
Who's that? Oh. I can't see anything.
Yeah, go. No brake. All the way. Gate. Leave that.
Oh? Yes? No brake?
Straight.
I'm too old for this car.
Thank you so much.
This was the longest time it took me to move a car.
Mr. Moses, thank you so much.
This color here is probably one of the nicest colors that you can have from the factory. I think it's beautiful. We just serviced this Bentley. This is a beautiful Bentley. Look at the interior in this car. You know, Bentleys are very, very nice cars, especially when it looks like this. I mean, interior is super nice. I love the whole white and black two-tone interior. It looks really, really nice. You can't go wrong with this car. This would be probably a very nice everyday car to have. Drive every single day. I would, for sure. Yeah, so we just did a synthetic oil change on this thing. Changed the filter, topped off the fluids. Simple service on this thing, nothing complicated. The car's practically brand new, so.
See how that window closed?
Yep.
No, you didn't. Look at it. It like opens and closes.
Yep. Technology, baby. Technology.
Wow.
Yep, it is. You know what I like? When you're in front of the car, some cars is really hard to tell the design of the interior, but this car, you can literally be like 20, 30 feet away. You can still see the crazy style of the interior on the seats. It's nice. Very nice.
This one says V8. It says V8.
The other one
side
says,
says 8.
it might be the style. It might be the way it is.
There's no way that's
It's
how
very
it
possible.
No?
Yep, we're missing a V.
And Vic's not here.
It's a nice
Why
one.
is this car always back here?
I don't know.
Does he store it here?
Maybe. Yeah, I love this car.
So he knew about the V?
Yeah, so that V is missing because of the somebody did a clear bra on the car and they forgot to put it back. But yeah, this car is beautiful, man.
I like it. It's the same design from the original pieces inside.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Same weave?
See, like this, same design in the original. This is the original piece inside. You see right here? It's really like a little more fine. Just do a little adjustments and vámonos, carnal.
Good to go.
Simón. Little things.
How much is the watch?
$600 to $700.
This one.
Yeah.
Just kidding, how?
Go to the mall and check. There's $600 to $700.
Yeah, but you buy original. I cannot buy original. I cannot afford it.
This is original.
No, this is. How you can say this is original?
I can tell.
Come on, man. People over there are gonna think I have how to pay this shit. Maybe if I get something like this, payments, not like you.
All you need is a house and you're done.
Whee! Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Haha!
Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy.